Today's video is all about subscribers. How do you get more subscribers? One way that you can get more subscribers is by sharing your subscribe confirmation link with them. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you want to make sure you're logged into your YouTube channel. You want to go to your homepage. I do youtube.com/HollyGStudios. That will also bring me to my channel. So I'm on my channel and I want to go ahead and add in !sub_confirmation equals 1. Now when I hit enter, what's going to happen is it's going to bring up this pop-up, which is going to let people confirm their subscription. So this is the URL that I want to share when I am creating links for my email signature, when I'm creating links for my website or other social channels where I'm directing people back to my YouTube channel to subscribe to my channel. So that's how you would create your subscribe YouTube URL that you can share wherever you want to share to allow people to subscribe to your channel more easily. If you like this video, make sure to like it and of course subscribe to my channel. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.